Welcome students of the Botany College. This video lesson is going to introduce you Python and start with the basics of Python. Python is a programming language. It is designed to be clean and easy to read language. Python is a general purpose language so that it can just build anything. One of the most common websites which you use in your daily life, like YouTube, use Python. Next, we're going to talk about learning environment. So, learning Python is like similar to learning a foreign language. So don't expect yourself from the first lesson that you'll be knowing all the terminology what we use in Python. So you might be facing some problems like where you're not understanding some terminology, but the key thing to be successful is to keep calm, carry on, and as you go along you will be able to understand terms clearly. And what we're gonna do is now so your first thing what you're gonna do today is you're gonna download the Python from this is a OneNote which is being shared with you. So on the resources tab, resources page, you go to and download latest version of the Python and the Wing IDLE, which is an interface to use to run Python programs. So I have downloaded this Python and have downloaded Wing also. So I'm going to type Wing and open Wing. So that's just opening the Wing. So that's how the Wing is. In this Wing you can go to the file to start with and click on new to open a new file, and this area, this is what is the console is, where you will get the output of your Python programs, right? So this is what is called as Python workspace. So now we are gonna write a very first line of code, which is print in double quotes hello world. And I'm going to save as this file in my one of the folders, and I'll be naming that folder as so I have created a folder Python_scripts and I'm saving this file as hello.py. So you can save it as hello, and it is saving as a type Python, so it will be hello.py. You can see here it is hello.py extension for the Python script. You can see that when I wrote print and the string hello world, it is in different colors. Well, that's what is called as syntax highlighting in Python, so that you can differentiate between the syntax. This print is a function which is taking the string hello world as a parameter. So that's in a different color and that is in a different color, which is syntax highlighting. So I am starting with a very traditional way of introducing you to the Python is writing a simple program which outputs hello world to the screen. So our first program is we are printing the hello world to the screen. We have saved it in a hello.py file. This is a script, and I'm going to run that script with this green run button, and it is executing, and we got hello world printed onto the screen. What actually happens there is when we have written the script and when we click on the run, this hello.py script is passed on, is given to the interpreter, Python interpreter. The interpreter interprets the script line by line, term by term, line by line, and interprets its meaning and perform it. So when you click on the run button, it is being passed on to the Python interpreter, which interprets line by line, code by code, and performs what is there in the code. Okay, so this is our simple program, and this print is a function. If we understand